You just ate a cookie. 200 calories, gone in 3 bites. But what actually is a calorie? And why do extra ones end up right here? Is it really just about eating less? Or is your body playing a much smarter game? By the end of this, calorie will finally make sense. Let's follow one cookie all the way through your body. First, forget everything the diet ads told you. A calorie is not a thing you can hold. It's a simply a unit of energy, the hidden fuel packed inside every food. Your body is basically an engine that runs on it. And the engine never switches off. Breathing burns fuel, thinking burns fuel, your heartbeat right now burns fuel. Even doing nothing, you burn energy every second. That baseline burn has a name: your metabolism. So picture two sides of one simple equation. On one side, energy in, everything you eat and drink. On the other, energy out, everything your body spent. And out is way bigger than you think. Most of it is not exercise at all. It is just keeping you alive, your resting burn. Some is spent digesting the food itself. A surprisingly small slice is moving around. Here's the catch: you cannot outrun your fork. When in and out match, your weight holds steady. Eat a bit more than you burn, and the leftover energy does not just vanish. Your body grabs it, every last bit. Because your body has one ancient rule: never waste energy. First, it refuels your quick energy tank, stores in your muscles and your liver. But that tank is tiny. It fills up fast. So what happens to all the extra? It gets packed away for a rainy day, straight into your fat cells. Think of fat as a saving account. Energy you earn but never spend. Brilliant system for our hungry ancestors. The problem is, for us, the famine never comes. We keep depositing and we almost never withdraw. So the savings grow, and so do we. Now, here's the most diets go wrong. They obsessed over one number, the calorie count. But two foods with the same calories can do completely opposite things to you. Take 200 calories of cookie, sugar floods in, your blood sugar spikes, your body scrambles to pack it all away, then comes the crash, and suddenly you're starving all over again. Now take 200 calories of eggs. Protein digests slowly, it actually fills you up. Hours later, you are still totally fine. Same calories, opposite result. Fibers pulls the same trick. It keeps you full. Whole foods are genuinely hard to overeat, but processed food is engineered to disappear. And your hunger is not just a willpower. It is hormones quietly pulling the strings. Junk food scrambles those signals, so you eat past full and barely notice. That is why just eat less feels impossible. And it gets trickier. Your body fights back. Cut your food too hard, too fast, and your body thinks a famine has hit. So it does the logical thing. It burns less, your energy drops, you feel cold and tired. And the weight loss just stalls. This is why crash diets almost always reburn. The goal is not to starve the engine. It is to fuel it smart and keep it running strong. Slow and steady beats fast and brutal every time. Quick myth check. Carbs after 8 p.m. do not magically become fat. Your body does not match the clock. It watches the total across the whole day. So what actually works? Let's keep it simple. 1. Building your meals around protein. It fills you up and protects your muscle. 2. Load up on fiber, veggies, fruits, whole grains. 3. Do not drink your calories. Liquid sugar slips in without filling you at all. 4. Drink water before you decide you are hungry. Thirst loves to disguise itself as a hunger. 5. Sleep. Bad sleep make you hungrier. 6. Slow down. Your gut needs time to say stop. 7. You do not need to count every calorie. Just pick foods that keep you full on fewer of them. Work with your hunger, not against it. So, back to the cookie. It was never the villain. It was just incredibly easy to overeat. And now you finally know exactly why. If this clicked, what sugar does next will blow your mind. Hit subscribe and let's make food make science together.